Hello viewers, welcome once again to Jerry's Tech. Okay, in this brief video, I want to talk about a timer relay. As you can see, I have different types here, and they all do almost same function. It's just to delay the time at which you send power from a particular point to another point. Okay, as you can see, this timer relay is just a relay. See, you have A2 here. Also, you have A1 above. Those are the place A1, A2. Those are the areas in which you have your coil. Your coil. When electricity passes through a coil, it generates a magnetic field which closes a switch. So this A1, A2 is where you send power to, and also when you send power through A1, A2, the timing that you set here, as you can see, and there you have minutes. Also, you have hours. You can set whatever time you want. You can set even for 24 hours. You can set for 30 minutes. You can set for 1 hour. You can set for whatever time you want to set in order to automate a particular system, because this is very very good for automation. Because maybe like you're running a star delta motor, this is what you use a timer relay in order to know when to break out on a particular motor, a particular connection, whether from star to delta, and know when to go into star. Also, whatever, maybe your alarm systems, your compressors, whatever you want to time. Maybe you are not around and you want to time your equipment. This guy here is very important, as you can see. Okay, immediately you have power on the A1, A2. Maybe the rating, you check the rating if it's 250 volts or whatever. See, like this one has 240 volts. You can also use 24 volts DC. You can use 240 volts, 60 hertz, no problem. So whenever there is power in A1, A2, as you can see, 15 and 16 is normally close. That means this very diagram here shows you that already 15 and 16 is engaged. And where is 15 and 16? You have 16 here, you have 15 above there. So the 15 is the standby power, where you have maybe a line in which you want to transfer from either 16 to 15. So there's a power there on 15. So when this timer is off, when there is no power on the coil, you have that 15 and 16 is engaged. But immediately when there is power, it changed from 15, 16 to 15, 18. That means you can transfer power from 15 to 18 and no longer 16. You see, so if you had something connected here, so that means the power can move from 15 to 18 according to the set time that you made before, according to what you require. I mean the timing that you want. So it will stay, the power will come on and it will stay. It will only blink. You see this small light? It will only blink and blink and blink when the time that you set, when it has gotten to the time that was set on this timer, it transfer power from 15 to 18, not 15 to 16 anymore. So that is the same thing with this. You have, like, this one has a multiple, you can connect it. You see, like now we have 6 and 8 is normally open. You see those two white circles, that means they are open. So when there is power, there will be close. They will turn to close position. Like 4 and 1 is close, normally close when there is no power. So when there is power, it will turn to normally open. Then you have 3 and 1 is normally open. When there is power, that is when there is power in this timer, it turns to close position. As you can see, 2 and 7 is the power input to the coil, and this is the timer in which you can regulate. This is in minutes, so you can set whatever minutes that you want for this timer to work. And this is the rated voltage, 220 volts on red. See, so this is very, very important when you are doing an automation. Maybe I want to send power to this contactor, so that means my power line, my lifeline will come to 15. That is a standby power. So I put the supply to this contactor on 18. So when this guy is timing, after the time runs out, it sends the power from 15 to 18 and no longer 16. So it sends the power to 18, and then by so doing, my contactor here will receive the power, because I take maybe the lifeline. I take the lifeline and come here. See, as you can see, this is A1 on this contract. I don't know if you can sight it properly. It's A1, A2. So I can run the power that is supposed to come here. I run it through 15. Okay, I run it through 15, and I take it out from 18. I bring it to A1. So I time it, so I can time when I want this contactor to engage, so that my main power can be transferred. So this is very, very, very important in the automation. I just wish that you understand what I'm trying to explain. Okay, if you like this video, if I was able to impact your knowledge a bit, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a nice day.